Assalamualaikum friends. Welcome to our channel Sisters Sigma. My name is Ayan
and my name is Haram.
So today we are going to do lick and bite challenge. So we are having two cheats. One is for lick
and one is for bite.
And
we are gonna peek it. First we'll see that. First we'll shuffle our chits and just see who is having lick and who is having bite. We'll have two bowls here. The bowls will have same items and same number of items, but we literally don't know what the items are.
So let's go to our first round.
So here is our first round.
So first ये अपना मुंह उधर करेगी और मैं I will shuffle these cheats. So he has.
तो अब ये चिट्स को अपने हाथ में छुपाएगा शफल करके, और मैं बताऊंगी कि मुझे राइट हैंड वाली चिट चाहिए या लेफ्ट हैंड वाली. तो उसकी उस पे हमारा लक डिपेंड करता है कि हमें लिक करने हैं वो थिंग या फिर बाइट करनी है.
So start.
Okay, I'll have this one.
I pray that I am having lick, but no, I am having bite.
I'm having lick again.
So
let's see what the things are.
3, 2,
1, go.
Oh no! I am having one onion.
He has to bite the onion and I just have to lick it. So let's go eat it. Yuck. No.
Yeah, taste is good. Nice.
It's too much bad.
Too much bad.
It's too bad. Okay, so let's go to the second round.
After eating the yucky onion, we are
Here is
having
our
the second round. So let's
अब मेरी
start
बारी
the
है.
second round.
You face there. Okay, done.
So I choose this.
Okay. I hope I'll just.
I'm
I'm
again
gonna
have
lick it
bite.
Okay.
let's see.
So let's see what the things are. 3, 2, 1.
So I'm having samosa.
No, I want
love
to eat
samosa.
it.
So
I want to eat it. Me too.
I will
I
eat
like two. Okay. I want to eat it.
it's too much yummy,
I want to eat it. Okay.
but you don't.
But I can't eat this because I have just chose the lick one.
It is too much yummy.
I want
So
to
let's
eat
go
it.
to our
Third round.
So now there is our third round. So it is my turn.
Yeah.
So अपना मुंह अब आप उधर कर लें. So I will use this.
This one.
So let's see.
I
I'm
don't
again
eat
having
it.
bite.
What is happening? I gotta lick again. Okay.
Let's see what
What is this? 1, 2, 3.
Oh no!
Shit. It's your bad day, yaar.
I am
It's
having
okay.
lemon.
You have to eat it.
Shit.
No. Okay.
Let's
1,
eat.
2, 3. No, you have to eat it. You have to eat it with the peel. You have to eat it with the peel.
No, I will not eat it with a pea.
You have to eat it with the peel. It's too sore. It's very bad.
Sore.
It's very bad. Yeah, it's sore.
It's very bad. Ayan.
वैसे तुम्हें मजा आ गया क्या?
Ayan, it's very bad.
Yeah, it's very bad. Okay.
So guys,
Okay.
This was unexpected.
So
हमें नहीं
don't do
पता
this
था कि
challenge in
हमें
our
lemon मिलेगा.
house with
Don't do this in your own house.
with lemons especially.
Yeah, especially with lemon. Please don't eat the lemons. Okay.
Yes.
So let's move on to the fourth round. Here is our fourth round.
So it's.
It's my turn. It's my turn.
Yes.
Oh, you have to. You face it.
I did this. Again bite.
I'm
no.
really caught again.
Shit.
Yeah. So I hope इसमें कुछ बुरी चीजें हो ताकि मुझे उसको लिख करना आसान हो.
मामा पहले ही बता दे.
इसमें क्या है? Okay, one.
Oh, we are having ice
Oh,
cream. I have to eat ice cream.
No, I wanted to eat it.
Yes.
मम्मा हम इसको क्या हाथ से खाएंगे? Where's the spoon?
सिर्फ भाभी को स्पून मिलेगा क्योंकि भाभी खाएगा.
Yeah, he's smart too.
After this is that.
Okay. I just have to lick it. No.
I have to eat this
I want
yummy
to eat it.
strawberry flavor ice cream. So,
Guys, I love strawberry flavor. It's so yummy.
I will eat the next whole ice cream after the video.
Yeah.
So
Let's move to the
fifth
round.
round after eating this
ice cream.
lemon, sour, and such bad things. Let's go to fifth round.
Start.
So
here
here's our
is
fifth round.
So it's my turn. It's not yours.
Yeah, it's his turn.
So it's my turn.
I hope
Choose
कुछ
one.
अच्छा है. ये वाला.
Let's see, guys.
अब मुझे लिखना ही चाहिए. I got the bite.
And
Yes.
I'm having like.
So see
Let's
what it
see
is.
what.
कुछ अच्छा है.
I
1,
hope.
2, 3.
Oh no! Yes! Oh yes! I'm having green chili.
नहीं मेरे पास लिखा आया था.
No! It's sitting. No. अब मैं इसे खाऊंगा.
लिख करूंगा. अरे खा ले.
No.
मैं आगे.
It says nothing. Bamba.
Can I have just one bite? Just a small
Yes,
one.
you can have.
Okay. No.
Oh yeah. You have to eat it. You have to eat it. But you have to eat it.
आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा.
और भाभी आपको कैसा लगा?
It's too much good,
ये
bro.
गले में लग रहा है.
That's why.
So
So
here
here
is
is
our
our sixth round. So it's.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा मिर्ची खा. So it's your turn.
It's your.
It's your turn to
Oh.
write your face there.
I have to bite.
And I have to lick again.
But
So
we don't know what it is in.
I hope इसमें कोई गंदी चीज हो ताकि मैं इसको लिक करने में आसानी हो. Okay.
And I hope कोई अच्छी और मीठी
No.
चीज हो.
कोई गंदी चीज हो. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
We are having
My luck is very good today. Okay, just open this.
chocolate.
I wanted to eat that.
But I eat. So I will eat the whole chocolate.
No, you just save it.
Too much yummy.
I just have to lick it. It's freezed. Okay. It tastes nice.
Just
आपी भाभी दोनों को कैसा लगा है अब?
Okay, it was nice. Okay,
So
let's
let's go
move to
to
the
the
last
last
round. So here
then
is
we are
our
having
last and final round.
So it's my turn.
Yeah.
You have to choose.
This one.
So let's see.
अब मुझे लिख
I have to bite again.
and I have to lick it again.
But
Okay.
I wish it
इसमें कुछ
अच्छा
अच्छा
ही हो. I am having biscuit to eat.
Okay, let's open
Yes.
it now.
So it's my luck that I am
I
having
wasn't wishing to lick a biscuit,
That
but
I'm-
I don't like so much.
that I am
biscuit.
having good things after such bad things.
I ate the green chili.
But I eat the onion and
Yeah,
the
he ate
lemon.
that. Yeah.
I will eat.
And I just like it. It tastes nothing. ऊपर से कोई taste नहीं आता. No.
But it's
Nothing.
too much good.
Is it?
Yeah. So guys, this is our
So this was our challenge. I hope you, we hope you liked it.
and
So if you liked it, please like, share,
and subscribe our
to our
channel. And we will meet you
in our next video. And yeah, please, if you want us to do such more funny and cool challenges, so give us a comment below. We'll read
thumbs
all the comments, and yeah, please give us a thumbs up if you liked it.
So
So we're
well,
signing off.